what a furnace evaporator coil is and why it matters for thermostat wiring and replacement. It's the air conditioner's heat exchange component that the furnace blower uses to cool your home, and missing or mismatched coils break cooling and can ruin a new thermostat installation. When you replace a thermostat or rewire one for a shared heating and cooling system, first confirm whether your system is combined. Furnace plus air conditioner. Because the evaporator coil sits inside the air handler or on top of the furnace and changes how you wire common and call for cool signals. Inspect the coil visually for oil stains, fin damage, and proper insulation on the suction line, because leaks or blocked fins change system pressures and can confuse thermostat diagnostics. Always measure the coil's manufacturer model and match the refrigeration circuit type and capacity to the outdoor unit so that the thermostat's fan control and staging logic align with the actual cooling equipment. Mismatched capacities create short cycling that looks like thermostat failure. When pulling thermostat wires, map each conductor to its function at both the furnace and air conditioner control boards. Use a multimeter to verify 12 to 24 volts on call for cool terminals and the common terminal continuity, and label both ends before you disconnect anything. If your system uses a shared fan, configure the thermostat fan setting for both heating and cooling modes, and program any delay on or compressor lockout to protect the evaporator coil from rapid cycling. Typical compressor lockouts are about 30 seconds to 1 minute to equalize pressures. If the evaporator coil has a metering device like a thermal expansion valve, note that thermostats with adaptive or demand response features must be configured to avoid creating suction pressure fluctuations that trigger safety switches. For older furnaces, check that the blower motor speed tap used for cooling provides the correct airflow. 400 cubic feet per minute per ton of cooling is a common target, and adjust blower speed if needed, rather than relying on the thermostat to correct airflow problems. Finally, when replacing a thermostat, always save the old wiring diagram and take a clear photo of both control boards so you can restore original settings if the new thermostat's auto-detect picks the wrong equipment type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is ignoring evaporator coil compatibility with thermostat wiring, which leads to dead cooling calls. Fix it by verifying coil and outdoor unit match, and by testing call for cool voltage and common continuity before installing a new thermostat. One of the most common wiring errors is swapping common and call terminals or failing to label conductors, causing short cycling or no power to the thermostat. Remedy this by labeling every wire at both ends, using a multimeter to confirm function, and consulting equipment wiring diagrams. One of the frequent oversights is not checking blower airflow relative to the coil, which results in frozen coils or inefficient cooling. Correct that by measuring static pressure, adjusting blower speed to achieve roughly 400 cubic feet per minute per ton, and cleaning or straightening coil fins and filters to restore proper heat exchange. BigHomeProjects.com lists local HVAC contractors skilled with furnace evaporator coil issues and thermostat wiring, so homeowners can find trusted professionals quickly. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting their verified services with nearby clients searching for coil replacement, AC integration, and thermostat installation.